Hello brother and sister. Today I will going to review my another unit of the Victorinox standard and simple and come in smaller size, so you can put this Victorinox multi-tool into your bag or handbag or even your kitchen. You can bring this every day. As you maybe already know, this Victorinox small size is come in cheaper price, so many people can own this too. This Victorinox, I bought it around 5 or 6 years ago, around 2016, and now the year date that I'm posting this video is 2022, so it's follow me about 6 years. Now I'm going to show the wear marks. I'm not using this Victorinox very much in everyday life, but it is almost come with me when I going out, because I put it as a EDC or everyday carry items. And from the white color of its body, it's been one times clean. If not, the body will show very dirty because it's white. As you can see, you can take it as a keychain or anything you like. Very small and convenient. I think that's all my review about this small Victorinox multi-tool. Thank you for watching this video.